Hello guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about Solana. This is like just another coin, just like Ethereum, another blockchain solution. And the reason like we will be covering this particular video, everything about Solana. And since this channel is everything about how do we make you financially free, specifically these days we are covering a lot of crypto lessons because the big money is flowing inside the crypto world these days, and as well as in the future the metaverse. So wherever there is a big opportunity of making money, we are going to cover in this channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for the future updates and the best of the videos. Now coming back onto the video, as you can see the price of Solana, right now it is October 31st or 1st November, you can say. If 1st of January 2021 you would have put any amount, let's say you would have put $10,000 on Solana, right now it is 100x, more than 100x, 110x. That means you would have been millionaire. $1.1 million you would have already made. And then there is another speculation of Solana going further up. Now here's the point. Somebody saying, okay, Solana went 100x, so probably it is might go to another 100x. That is not the truth. You do not have to look at the price. Price is just probably the main. I mean, it is just the price set based on the total number of circulating coins. The only thing that you need to look at is market capitalization. Right now, Bitcoin's market capitalization is $1 trillion. Ethereum's market capitalization is approximately $500 billion. So this is like 1/8 of Ethereum's market capitalization. You do not have to compare, okay, right now it is 1/20th of the price. Ethereum is 4,000, this is 200. So no, we have to compare the market capitalization. So that means Solana, we are going to talk about the project, what kind of project it is building upon. So it is catching up, it is pacing up. So for it to go 100x, that means it has to surpass Bitcoin as well, like $6 trillion of market capitalization. That is not such an easy job, guys. Like this is something like out of this world. And especially like, yes, it may happen in the future, but only once Bitcoin itself reaches more than $10 trillion, which is speculated in the near future. But right now, we need to have the realistic kind of expectation. Now, the reason that this is pumping, we need to understand. If you try to go at the Solana website, I mean, as you can see, Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and the fastest growing ecosystem crypto with over 400 projects spanning DeFi, NFT, Web3. So you already know, like the DeFi, the NFTs, all these things are very much in these days. In fact, this is like growing at a pace nobody could have even thought about, and everything, majority of it, like is built from the time and time again on Ethereum. But you might have heard Ethereum really has a very high gas fees. So yes, people are still building on Ethereum. The biggest of the projects, the maximum number of projects still are being built and have been built on Ethereum. But here Solana is providing an alternate solution. Let me tell you, Solana is not the only one to provide the alternate solution. There are many other solutions with Ethereum, like alternate solutions, Polkadot, even layer 2 solution like Polygon and Matic, solving the gas fees and speed issue. But Solana is one of them, and definitely it is like the demand is so high that everyone is going to flourish. So that is why Solana is in a way considered as the Ethereum in the making. That means it is actually following the path that exactly was followed by Ethereum previously. That means, yes, eventually we can see 10x from here. That means we can see $2,000 plus Solana. When it is going to happen, that cannot be told. But in the near future, in this particular bull run, what do I personally see? At least 3x from here. At least like $600 in this bull run, when it is speculated Bitcoin is going to cross $120,000, Ethereum is going to cross more than $12,000. Solana is definitely like will be 3 to 5x. That means $600 to $1,000. Now, as far as the project, it is not a meme coin probably like Shiba Inu or any other, because it does like Shiba Inu and stuff like Doge, they don't actually have the real world uses, but this one is like having a real world uses. A lot of solutions are being built onto it, so this is considered as a stable coin, and the kind of growth it has taken, like obviously we missed the boat, we can say. From here 100x is a big deal. There is not going to be another 100x anytime soon, but 3 to 5x definitely is on the cards. But at the same time, we also need to be considering to buy, like let's say you watch the video today itself and the price is $200, or let's say it is pumped to like $210, $220. You need to see what is the current trend going on. See, however good the project may be, the price fluctuates. Whenever it goes up, it has to come down. So you do not have to buy, let's say if you do the daily chart, you do not have to buy when the price is suddenly pumped up, right? When it is on the upward streak, you do not have to buy then. Just wait for a while, it is going to come down. That's when you buy, so that you can see the immediate positive term. In the long run, yes, definitely you are going to be positive, but this is not a cool sight to see. Like you bought at $209 and then eventually after some time it has reduced 10% in value, so you would not like that. But at the same time, let's say you wait for the dip. At the time of the dip you bought, and then that's when you see your investment as 10% up, and even if it is down, like it is not that down, so you will be pretty happy to see the progress. And in the long run, yes, after the bull market is over, the bear market comes, the price is going to come crashing down as well. But in this bull run, definitely it is going to go at that place. And in the long run, like let's say another 2 years down the line, I personally see definitely Solana going 10x from here. That means $500 billion, like 8 to 10x, $500 to $600 billion, when Ethereum is actually crossing its own $1 trillion market capitalization. And definitely it is backed up by a great backbone and ecosystem. So Solana, one of the facts, it is like one of the fastest solution. Like it is providing 65,000 transactions per second, and Ethereum is not that fast. Bitcoin is definitely very, very slow. Bitcoin is not having the similar use as that Ethereum and Solana, so probably better to compete like Ethereum with Solana. But at the same time, do not think that people just go off one of the platforms. Even if you do not like Facebook, you do not just go delete your Facebook account and go off to other place. It doesn't happen. So Ethereum, yes, they are developing Ethereum 2.0, which is going to solve its own previous problem. But once people have adapted to a network, they continue with the same network at the same time. So definitely Solana is a good project in terms of buying opportunity. Definitely it is a stable coin. It is here to stay in the market. It is going to go up, and definitely eventually, as you can see, in terms of growth, if you try to compare Bitcoin with Solana, definitely I would say Solana is going to give you far better return from this point. Bitcoin is already $60,000. Eventually it is going to reach more than $1 million, 20x from here. So at the time Bitcoin is going to reach $1 million, Solana is definitely going to get you far more yield, probably 30x or more. So in the long run, definitely it's one of the best investment. But at the time of investment, you just have to see when the market has cooled down a little bit. Even in the bull market, there is an up cycle, down cycle within micro, like within on a daily basis, 1 day, 2 day gap. So just try to wait for the pullback and then enter into a position, and definitely it is a worth it project to put your money into for the return on the investment. So guys, again, I hope that you found the video helpful, and please do ensure you subscribe to the channel, because this channel will be everything about providing you the financial freedom. We are going to cover in the future many more topics on the metaverse as well. This is going to be the next $1 trillion industry. So since we are interested, whichever the field may be, to give you the best money making opportunities, we are going to cover every now and then on this particular channel. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please do comment down below for the question that you may have. I'll personally answer each one of you guys. And the best takeaway from this video, or any of the suggestions, what kind of videos you would want to see in the future, I'll try to make on that. Do smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as the commenting for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video.